the multi-purpose center of the church. They have a sign-up thing for PCT hikers. And I also helped Kathy, who is the office manager type person here, with some house rules, because she didn't really have a set of rules, and we want to make sure that you know, the space is respected and other hikers are respected as well. It's hard to say goodbye to the Word of Life Assembly of God Church. This place has been one of the most welcoming places I've ever been. Kathy, her husband Jim, everybody, all the staff, volunteers, love it. The McDonald's before heading back out on the trail. Don't be creepy. And my little backpack. Back in the state park to start hiking again, but I've had to get an unobstructed view of gorgeous Burney Falls. Super cool.
Yeah.
Back on the trail.
Da, 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 when you were young.
Finally, a nice view out of the tree area. You just keep rocking and rolling along this little stretch. Welcome to the lodge. Welcome, Burney Mountain Guest Ranch.
Where's your trail you at, huh?
Puppy.
What you doing, Falco?
Puppy.
You ever seen Never Ending Story?
Yes.
Yeah.
Falco.
Falco.
Yeah. Pretty good. That's very cool. Yeah, we're going to be doing good stuff. Anytime you guys are all
Educate people. I do not want to scare anybody. Your chances.
Homemade strawberry ice cream.
Wow, way to turn away from
The general store. It is extremely well stocked. Anything you would ever need for a resupply here. All little packages and everything's well labeled, and then you mark it down on a sheet.
On a sheet.
Like this, and then you pay at the end of your stay.
Well, the thing is, you don't really want to take more balls from the cache than you absolutely have to.
Set up. Squish is there. Loss is there. Cowbell and Rally are over there. It's called the Goat Shed, and it's where the showers and laundry is. And they have bins here with lunar clothes and a scale if you would like to check your weight. Laundry, and in there is a PCT Hiker Aid is laundry. But I just did it yesterday, so I just hand washed my bra and my hiking dress. Whee! This is a pretty relaxing, nice place to stay. They have an awesome setup. Everything a PCT hiker needs. Really, you wouldn't even need to stop in the town of Burney. You could just stop here if you were in a rush and just wanting to make as many miles as possible.
Don't talk while shooting.
Well, as a kid.